Phone open up. Caught on board. I decided to book some bus tickets.
No, I'm trying to go to sleep.
No. Go get Christian. Go wake Christian up.
You're so full of bullshit. This is
No, I'm being completely serious, actually. Like,
no, it's time to go to sleep.
what is that?
Dylan, people need sleep. We're not going anywhere. We have work to do. Do we not have work to do?
I'll just wait.
And the adventure continues. I'm going on like 30 minutes of sleep. Flew from Los Angeles, so we were to backtrack. We were in San Diego together. Went out to a ranch with a business partner and friend of mine, and then we went to Los Angeles. Now we're in Panama, about to go to another country, but I found this awesome lounge. Literally no people here. Like outside there, it's madness. It's hot, like frustrated people, all that type of stuff. So whenever you're traveling, look for lounges. I paid, I think it was like $80 per person. We have access to this, free internet, AC, unlimited, like drinks over here, also food upstairs, lunch is coming. But with that said, the adventure continues. And we are in Paraguay the next day. Take a look at this. So if you're ever in Paraguay and you need coffee like we did, don't go to the mall, don't go to any of the cafes that say that they're open, even if it's already been open for an hour. Come to this random gas station and get some coffee. Let's see.
What? Phone open up. Caught on board. I decided to book some bus tickets. I need to go change real quick. I'm a little too flashy. I need to change my jacket, blend in.
No, I'm trying to go to sleep.
No. Go get Christian. Go wake Christian up.
Who's Christian?
Exactly. Who knows? I actually have no idea. I think it's a figment of my imagination. But we're getting on a bus, and we're going to go to some magical city, but I can't tell you where it is, because then you're not going to want to do it.
Yeah, I'm actually going to sleep.
Ah, yeah, too bad. So, yeah, I'm going to go change. Can't wear this, none of this stuff. Got to go change, and then we need to leave in like 20 minutes. The driver's already on his way.
Bruh.
And the bus is going to be leaving in an hour exactly.
You're so full of bullshit.
No, I'm being completely serious, actually. Like, I'm super bored. It's late at night. What else is there to do?
Let's prove to the. Okay, what? Yeah, it's time to go to sleep.
What is that?
Dylan, people need sleep. We're not going anywhere. We have work to do. Do we not have work to do?
I'll just wait. Are you having fun yet?
No, we're not having much fun.
Are you having fun?
Are you having fun?
I'm having so much fun.
Always.
crossed the border illegally because of him.
What can I say?
So we had to, instead of coming by bus, we had to get off a bus 40 minutes before we crossed the border, and then find some random person that charges a new price for us. And it's all because of this American. We get the
New
best
price
deals.
just for you?
So now we're checking into the hotel a little bit early.
Okay?
3 rooms.
Yes.
Okay, so we showed up at this hotel, and there's some weird paintings on the wall. And I don't know what we're doing here. It's like this endless hallway that leads to, I don't know who that guy is. Why are we here?
I'm really not sure. I think this is our new prison, as far as I can tell. But there's no one here.
Is this what prisons in South America look like? Is this what they look like? Okay. Well, all Dylan did was say, okay, we'll get on this bus at midnight. Why we boarded a bus at midnight? And then we showed up here.
I mean, we're here. The only clue I have is that I saw on Dylan's desk he had Brazil and then Mosquitoes in all caps, and something with our names with Christian and Colson. So I don't know.
Okay, Dylan is trying to feed us to the mosquitoes. That's. But I'm not scared. It's just a mosquito. What are they gonna do? Kill me?
Yeah, I've seen mosquitoes before.
Yeah, exactly.
How big can they be?
Yeah, exactly. No one cares. Mosquitoes.
I guess we're gonna find out.
Yeah. So this is our prison right now. That we just I don't know what we're doing here.
So you know how there's 3G, 4G, 5G? I have G. That is what you call quality.
Welcome to Brazil.
Looks like it's 9 o'clock. Let's see if we can drink. Anybody here?
Christian, the fun begins in 16 minutes.
What happens in 16 minutes?
Well, actually, it's gonna be 15 minutes. 15 minutes.
15-minute fun time?
What's gonna happen in 15 minutes?
That's when the deal goes down, right?
We're gonna find out.
Let's go drink. It's 10 a.m., so we need to drink espresso with martinis.
Here or lobby?
Here. Mosquitoes. Since you don't have the yellow fever vaccine, we have to go there. But the bus is
You don't
almost
know my
here.
medical history.
I do. I hacked into you. So we're about to go to some random city that's known for its amazing mosquito population. It's one of the top in all of South America, actually.
Aren't
So-
mosquitoes like worthless insects?
I mean, there's so many different kinds. We're going to go see that now. That's the entire reason we're actually here, by the way.
But actually, why are we here at this extremely nice resort? Like, and there's no one here.
Literally
Like,
no.
Why is there no one here?
Because, I mean, around this time of year, the mosquitoes are even worse. So, I mean, that's why we're here. That's literally why we're here.
Only the real mosquito fans come here.
Yeah, well, we left our amazing spot in Paraguay, shithole, by the way. Don't come. It's really bad.
It's the worst. Worst time I've ever had.
Yeah, worst time. But we left our amazing apartment, everything else to come here just to see the mosquitoes. Let's go.
He won't tell me anything.
Yeah, we don't know why we're here, but I think Dylan rented out the whole entire hotel. Because no one's here.
All they do is clean. That's all I see anyone doing.
Yeah, enhanced cleaning measures. an option. Do you want the helicopter or do you want the plane?
Let's go with the plane. It's only $50 more, so.
Where are you taking us?
I told you I'm taking you to where all of the mosquitoes, it's literally like a capital for the mosquitoes. Some of the worst mosquitoes in the entire planet are here where we're going to be going. And the challenge, because this is the hottest time for them, like as far as them coming out, and as you saw yesterday, the humidity was at a completely different level. So the challenge is, since they're all hatching right now, we're going to try not to let Christian over there die. So show him some of your stuff.
Oh, this is embarrassing.
But anyways, on a serious note, we are trying to not let him die. So he's been applying bug spray and cream and all that other nonsense.
Guys, hold on. I don't want to alarm you, but I need to put a little more on.
Yeah.
I'm feeling unprotected.
Who has lotion that's like also bug spray? That's not.
It's also quite tangy.
That's not. That's not. No.
So yeah, guys, that's basically what we're trying to do. This is Christian's initiation, is to see if he's worthy of being able to travel the world, live outside of the matrices. Can he go to the capital city of the mosquitoes and not die?
Attention all visitors. The blood chiefs are wild animals. Not
You hear that?
animals. And avoid eating.
Basically, for all of you that can't hear it, he said on the next stop, be very prepared that there tend to be cougars and different animals that jump into the bus. So be very prepared, be alert, stay alive.
Okay, we're currently exploring the jungle.
Dodging mosquitoes.
We're paving our own path. This is a.
Yeah, Colson came ahead of us all and built this right before we start filming.
Yeah, it looks brand new.
So congratulations, Colson. See, Colson's actually one of the hardest working people I know. He came here 4 hours before we were going to be coming to the falls just to build this. So we didn't have to walk through the dirt, almost die from mosquitoes, cougars, rabid deer.
Dylan, I don't care. I would not come here to do that.
I just want to say thank you, man. You came here, you worked your ass off. You even built this. Look at that.
Dylan, why are we here?
Really just to check out the mosquitoes, like I've already said 1,000 times. I don't know why you can't pick that up. And then also butterflies, lots of butterflies. And if you haven't already seen, there's obviously a waterfall right there. But it's kind of a small one.
Yeah. Wait.
I mean, it's a little.
This is like smaller than the one at the hotel.
Yes.
Dylan, is that the waterfall that we're going to see right there? Is
It's
that?
the waterfall.
That's.
Wow, it's even more impressive than I thought it would be.
Literally the biggest in South America. One of the wonders of the world. That's why we're here, man. Really just shows you how small life can be, you know? So, I mean, that's the main reason we're here is mosquitoes, butterflies, and the obvious right there.
Yeah, but why would anyone come to see this? Like-
It's more so just for the viewers, you know? Sitting at home, locked down.
So influencers don't do things for themselves. They just go out and do things for other people. I see. Yeah, this is, I don't think there's a reason to see this.
Yeah, it is kind of boring, you know? It's way smaller than the pictures. May as well just leave.
What is
Indian.
Okay.
Who's the clock?
What do you have to say for yourself?
It's 10 o'clock somewhere. 10 o'clock a.m.
Just happens to be here.
You're always at the bar.
What else is there to do? I just work all the time. That's it. I just work and then drink. That's all I do behind the scenes, guys. Travel the world. Actually, we're not even traveling the world. Right now, we're in Atlanta, Georgia. We're actually in Atlanta, Georgia. So, cheers.
Bro, Dylan, there's no way that we're gonna make it across, dude.